school. Today I'm going to be introducing this device, and it's called LabQuest 2 by Vernier. This device captures data in real time and it's really helpful when it comes to experiments, collecting data and sharing it with other group members. It has over 70 sensors, for example, conductivity sensor, pH sensor, and current sensor and voltage sensor, and it has many more. This device can view data in 3 different ways: meter, graph, and table. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the pH sensor, conductivity sensor, and the temperature sensor in 3 different experiments. And first we're going to start with the pH sensor, and it's here. Connect it to the device. And automatically it's going to show the readings. Okay. So we know a basic substance by the reading. If it's more than 7, it's basic. Less than 7, acidic, and if it's approximately 7, it's going to be a neutral substance. So this is a basic substance, and we're going to make sure by the readings here. It's 13.63, which is more than 7, which proves that it's a basic substance. Now we're going to try in an acidic substance. And it has to be less than 7 to prove it. Yes. And it's continuing to change. So it's approximately 3.29. And that proves that it's an acidic substance, because as we said, if it's less than 7, it's going to be acidic. Now this is a neutral substance, so it has to be approximately 7. Increasing. Continuing to change. It's approximately 5.47 and 5.49 actually. Okay, so approximately it's 7, which proves that it's a neutral substance. And that was for the pH sensor. Now we're going to move on to the next sensor, which is the temperature sensor. Now we're going to measure the temperature in an endothermic reaction and an exothermic reaction. As we know, an endothermic reaction will absorb heat. Exothermic reaction will release heat. So here we have I will have to add water. And we need to stir. And using the LabQuest, LabQuest temperature sensor, we're going to know if it's an endothermic reaction or an exothermic reaction. The temperature is decreasing. It stopped at 20.2 Celsius degrees. So we still don't know if it's an endothermic or exothermic, because we still didn't check the temperature for the other substance. The temperature is increasing, which means this one is the exothermic reaction and the other one was the endothermic reaction. So it's approximately 24.3 Celsius degrees. So that was for the temperature sensor. And now we'll move on to the next one, which is the conductivity sensor. And by that we're going to add the more, as we know, the more salt in the water, the more conductivity it has. The less salt, the less conductivity. So this is the one with salt, and this is the one without salt. It's distilled water. So let's try the distilled water first. It's continuing to change. Okay, it's approximately 296.7 microsiemens per centimeter. And now we're going to try with added salt, and it increases. The conductivity increases. It's approximately 318.6 microsiemens per centimeter. And that was for the conductivity sensor. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much.